Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a checkbox field in bit form. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the checkbox field. Drag and drop the checkbox field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the checkbox field settings. The label option allows you to set a name for the field label that will be displayed on the front end of the form. Subtitle is used to add additional information to the field. You can also add a subtitle for the checkbox field here. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. The helper text option enables you to provide short information about your input field, including any input restrictions and formatting requirements. The required option makes a form field mandatory and lets you customize the error message. You can show or hide the asterisk symbol by clicking this option. You can also choose the position of the asterisk symbol for the required field, before and after the label, on the right or left of the field. If you enable this option, the checkbox field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the checkbox field will be visible. The disable option prevents users from entering or modifying any information in the form, ensuring that the form data remains accurate and unaltered. You can toggle this option to enable or disable this field according to your needs. The Options column feature allows you to display the options in multiple columns. Here, you can specify the number of columns for your layout. Using this option, you can set a minimum number of selectable options for the users, and you can also set an error message that will be displayed when the limit is extended. This option allows you to set a maximum number of options, and you can customize the error message that will be displayed if the limit is exceeded. Enabling this option ensures that users cannot select more than the maximum allowed number of options. If they attempt to exceed the limit, the remaining options will be automatically disabled. Enabling the Allow Other option lets users input a custom value that is not available in the preset option, giving them more flexibility to enter their own choice. This option makes a custom input mandatory and lets you customize the error message. By enabling the Input Placeholder option, you can add a placeholder text for this custom input field. The Unique Entry option ensures that each form entry is unique and it helps to prevent duplicates. You can also set a custom error message that will be displayed if an entry is not unique. Using this feature, you can add or remove options from the checkbox field. And you can also set default options for this field that will be displayed when the form is loaded. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the checkbox field. Here, you can see that the checkbox field has been successfully added to the form with its default value already set. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.